Once again, I welcome you guys to the Make IT Simple YouTube channel. This is continuation to my previous video, which is learning about Python. If you didn't go through my previous video, just go through it and come back to this video. I have given the video link in the description section. In this video, we are going to see a few useful functions for working with numbers. So let's start getting to the demo. So I already created a file with max.extension.py. So what I can do is I will start by defining a variable called x, and I set it the value to 2.9, like a decimal value. So to round this number, we can use the built-in functions. Like built-in, we have round function. For example, we have the round functions, round, and we can give the number. Let's see what is happening over here, and I'm just printing this value. Print round of x. So if I am running this file, max, it is getting rounded off. So it's a kind of one of the built-in function. Similarly, we have another useful built-in function called absolute, which is ABS as short form. We give a value and it will always return the positive representation of the value, even if the value is negative. For example, let's see if I'm giving ABS and I'm running this file, giving 2.9. Suppose if I'm giving minus 2.9 also, it is returning the positive representation of the value. So it will always return the positive representation of the value even if the value is negative. In Python, we have some handful of functions for performing the mathematical operations. If you want to write a program that involves some complex mathematical calculation, you need to import the max module. A max module means like a model. First of all, I will explain about the module. Module in Python is a separate file with some reusable code. We will use this module to organize our code into different files. In Python, we have this max module which contains a bunch of reusable functions for performing the mathematical calculation. Let me show you how to use this module. So on top of the file, we can just type import math, M-A-T-H, and everything will be in lowercase. With this, we can import this math module. Now math is a kind of an object. Now with this object, we can access its functions or methods using the dot operator. For example, let me show you, I will be removing this one. What I'm doing is with this object math dot, it will list down all the functions or all the methods which is available over here. I will be making use of ceil method, ceil, and I will be passing the value of variable x. So let's see what is happening over here, and it is sealing the value 3. And similarly, we have another functions called floor, and let's see what is happening for the floor. And it is getting the value to the 2. So there are so many functions built in this model with the max. And if you want to learn more about them, you can visit the website. Open your browser and just search with Python 3 max module. That's it. And here the version number should be mandatory because the models will differ from each version to version. So if you see it over here in the math module, it will have a lot of functions. What are the functions you have you need, and you just go through it and you can make use of this. So in this video, we have seen about what are the inbuilt function we have for the math module, mathematical functions, and also we have seen about the math module and how to be imported. If you have any doubts on implementing this, just add it in the comment section. I'll be very happy to help you guys. Thanks all.